Welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. This is the great white cherry, Prunus taihaku. It's pink in bud like that, and then opens out into an enormous white flowers like you see there. Really stunning on a tree. The young leaves when they're unfurling are bronze, and then in the autumn time you get lovely autumn colours. Now this is the time of year to plant the great white cherry. You need decent sized planting holes. You dig a hole twice the depth of the pot. At the bottom, don't forget that Super Thrive fertilizer goes at the bottom. Super Thrive is a planting fertilizer that helps you reduce transplant shock and is slowly released for the plant. It will need a good stake and strap as well. So at the bottom you put that Super Thrive planting fertilizer. On top of the Super Thrive, some Swellwell compost and soil mixed, and Swellwell compost and soil back in around the tree and secure it very well. But have another look at the flowers, they're fantastic. Lovely maybe framing an entrance, or even as a freestanding tree, or as an avenue tree. So that's the great white cherry, can be planted from now. Goodbye for now, enjoy your garden.